Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of the Urban Homesteading channel, First Look Edition. If today is the first time you're visiting with us, we want to extend to you a very warm welcome and invite you to view any of our over 500 videos arranged for your convenience in playlists, as we are confident you're going to find something both useful and entertaining to watch. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe, it is free and it supports the channel. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Today we're going to look at a deal that we found at Home Depot. It is an extremely good deal. We are not sponsored by Home Depot, and we are going to talk about some RYOBI tools that we purchased to help us around the homestead. So stick around and we're going to talk about them. So Mrs. Wizard has been looking for a weed eater because the steel we have works very well, but it is very hard on her. It's kind of heavy and vibrating, right?
Oh my goodness, I was shaking all the way through my bones.
And I've been looking for a blower to clean areas and clean our decks and so forth. So I was in the Home Depot the other day and I came across this deal. This is $119 at the Home Depot, and it happens to have both tools and also comes with a charger and a battery. So I purchased this and we're going to give you our first impressions of those tools. So stick around. Alright, and here we are. We have a few weeds here, and Miss Wizard will use it for the first time and give us her impressions.
Yeah, well, it's pretty lightweight.
That's a safety, and underneath is the trigger. She must like it, she's not stopping. Alright, Miss Wizard, first impressions?
It's not shaking me, so that's a good thing.
So you like it?
We like things that are battery operated because they're much more lightweight. They are easier on the environment. And
Easier to start too.
easier to start. It's not as noisy, loud, saves my ears.
Okay.
And it's doing a pretty good job.
Good. Yeah, it's clear this area was like that before, guys, and here it cleared it pretty nicely. And here is our other tool, and that is our blower, and Elpida is holding that. They are using the same batteries, and again, the two of them with a charger and a battery were $119. So, Elpida, how that feels in your hand?
It's fairly lightweight, not as heavy as some other blowers that I've carried around.
So let's see if we can use one of the tools to clean the other two. Looks brand new, doesn't it?
Well,
Alright, Elpida, and what are your impressions?
it seems like it works fine.
Okay.
I've seen you use it on the deck already, so
Thumbs up, thumbs down. You like it, you don't like it?
yeah, thumbs up.
Alright.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
So here we are back at the shop, and of course, the primary reason why I chose this was not just the price, because I think even if you were not vested in the system, for $119 for two tools, the battery and the charger, I believe that's a pretty good deal, even if you're not in RYOBI. For us, it was a no-brainer because I actually had a rewards card that paid $100, so it cost me $19. So for me, it was a total no-brainer, right? But even at the $119 price tag, I think that's a good buy. What do you guys think?
I think so.
Well, I think anytime you can get a battery included and two tools and a charger, I mean, right there, we've talked about price on batteries these days, the lithium ion batteries, they tend to be pretty expensive.
Yes, the battery itself is $50, the charger is another $50.
Right.
So essentially, $20 for the tools, right?
Right.
So it's a good deal. Of course, in our case, we are vested on the RYOBI system. We have quite a lot of RYOBI 18-volt batteries. And I happen to have used, as Alpida alluded to, the blower a few times already. I've been very, very happy with it.
You've used it a lot because you like it. You've been cleaning the deck. You've been blowing the walkway.
Actually,
Any chance you get.
I used it in here too.
Yeah. Yep.
Yes, I do like
It's a
it.
new favorite.
It has a very nice feel. It is very well balanced. It is very light. Now, I've just turned this on to make sure it worked, but I didn't use it. You're the first person that used it. So what are your thoughts?
Well, I think that it definitely works for the use intended. It's pretty lightweight, which was a goal, to have a lighter weight one that isn't difficult to start and is easy to manage.
Yeah, and of course, if we find something that this cannot do, we still have the steel. Like if it's something really thick. I mean, I noticed just now you cut something a significant size weed, right? I wouldn't say huge, but a significant size. So it did that without any difficulties, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So I will give both items a thumbs up. Let's talk a little bit about some features. This is pretty straightforward. It just has an on-off button. That's all there is to it. It has 3 feet, so it can sit on a shelf securely.
And it's not huge either. I mean, it's pretty compact.
No, and actually it comes with a shorter snout too, if you wanted to have a shorter snout. I don't have it in the shop right now, but it does come with one. So this is a very simple tool. It's just, you don't need even to read the manual, right? It just does it. One of the features that we're very excited about this tool is that it has an auto feed, which means it doesn't need to, you don't need to bump it on the ground. It somehow senses the length of the string and it automatically advances it, right?
Yep.
It has a safety. I didn't mean to turn it on. It has a safety. I was demonstrating the safety and So if I press it now, nothing happens. You have to press the safety and the trigger for it to activate, which is a nice little feature. The size is great. The weight is fine. And again, both of them use the same battery, of which we have about 8 or 9. So you will have no difficulty finishing your jobs, right? Well, is there anything you don't like about either of those tools?
No, I like the color. It's pretty modern.
Yeah, this is the new. Again, we still have the blue RYOBIs, but this is the new lime. What do we call this?
Yeah. So when you're out cutting your weeds,
Okay, so
a fashion statement.
now all RYOBI tools, including that, comes with a 90-day satisfaction warranty, which means you can take it back in 90 days if you're not pleased, and they will give you your money back, and a 3-year warranty. Or I said it the other way. Did I say it correctly? Guarantee and warranty are the things that I'm not sure. So for 3 years they will repair it if something goes wrong. For 90 days you can decide to take it back if you so choose. No questions asked, you get your money back. And RYOBI is probably the most prolific tool manufacturer. There are over 150 tools working on the RYOBI One Plus system, which is, this is one off. One off? What's wrong with my talk? I was trying to find the P numbers of this and I cannot find it, so maybe the kit doesn't have a P number. But this is the kit that has the cordless 10 inches string trimmer and the trimmer and the blower kit. And of course they tell you it's incredible value, so it has to be.
Yeah, right on the box.
I am a fan of RYOBI tools, as you probably know, and I think Ms. Wizard also likes RYOBI tools. We are looking forward to using them. Already we established I love using this. We'll get back with you with a review in 6 months and a year, but I don't anticipate any issues. We've always liked RYOBI tools. One more feature that we have on the Edger is that you press those 2 buttons. There are 2 buttons here, and you can rotate 180 degrees, and then that becomes a trimmer effectively.
So the shaft.
Right, the shaft rotates.
Trimmer in this position, and then
I think you have to take it out and put it back in.
apparently it's not just.
Maybe just rotate it. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to.
So here it is in the rotated position. And what you do is you have to suppress both those at the same time. And can you rotate it? I'm not sure what the problem is. I do it off camera, no problems. We put it on camera. Maybe it's only one way that rotates.
There.
Yeah.
Okay. There it is. Now it's back in.
All right. It's one of those things,
That's
folks.
a little bit trickier than originally it looked.
It didn't. It's not really tricky. For some reason, when the camera was on, we couldn't do it, and when the camera was off, it just.
Well, it's not as easy as the other one, but we had another brand where you just loosened this little like lock nut.
Yeah.
You would slide it around and then you just retightened it. So that was a little more easy to manage. This is interesting because of the tabs, but still doable.
So, the convenience of cordless, of course, they are light, they are powerful. We have no issues with them whatsoever. We hope you enjoyed this first look. We all give it a thumbs up. Miss Wizard, both tools, one
Yep,
tool.
so far.
You prefer one over the other?
I'm going to let you have the blower.
Thank you. Elvira? Thumbs up, thumbs down. You like them, you don't like them?
Yeah, thumbs up for both.
We hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, we ask you that you support the channel, give us a thumbs up and liking the video. If you didn't, the video.
Big deal.
Video. If you didn't, the other button works as well, of course. Please share, like, subscribe if you have not done so, and let us know what else you would like to see in our channel. From Dr. Wizard, Mrs. Wizard, Elpida, and the Urban Homesteading channel, we fare you well. Stay safe, wash your hands, wear your masks, and we'll see you on the weekend. Farewell, friends.